Sweetheart Coaster Crochet Tutorial. Learn to crochet it in just 5 minutes. Round 1. Start with a magic ring. Chain 3. Does not count as a stitch. Work 1 double crochet DC into the ring. Beginners, place a stitch marker in the first DC. Work 11 DC into the ring, total 12 STS, including bag CH to 3. Mark the last street, tighten the ring, join with SL street to first street. Round 2. CH3, work DC increase 2 DC in same street, in first street. Repeat DC increase in each center round, total 24 STS. Join with SL street. Round 3. CH3, work 1 DC in next street, DC increase in following street. Repeat 11 times, total 36 STS. Join with SL street. Round 4. CH3, work 1 DC Inc. 1 DC in next 3 STS. Repeat 11 times, total 48 STS. Join with SL street, cut yarn, and weave in ends. Round 5. Switch to contrast color yarn. Join yarn in any street, CH3. In same street, work 5 HDC cluster. Make 5 unfinished HDC, leaving last loop on hook each time. Yarn over, pull through all loops on hook. CH3, make another cluster in same street, then CH1. Skip 3 STS, repeat 11 times. Join with SL street, cut yarn. Round 6. Switch to main color yarn. Join yarn in any CH3 space, CH1, work 2 SC in same space. In next CH to 3 space, work 7 DC. Repeat 11 times. Join with SL street, cut yarn, weave ends. Hanging loop. CH50, form a loop by joining with SL street to a street from round 4. Secure with a knot, weave in ends.